Hi guys, welcome again to Gearjunkies TV and a new video. Today we're going to take a look at the Behringer Pro One. Has been really busy the last year, and one of the most anticipated new synths that they have announced is the Pro One. It's a remake of the legendary Sequential Circuits Pro One, and that's a fully analog monophonic synthesizer with a built-in arpeggiator and basic sequencer. In fact, it was almost a single voice of a Prophet 5 using similar oscillators, filters and envelopes. The Pro One resembles it in both the features, so it has the same amount of oscillators, filter, envelopes, and also the layout looks a lot like the original. The biggest difference is of course the absence of a keyboard, and in return the Pro One has MIDI in, out and through, and USB, and it can also be poly-chained with up to 16 devices. So there are already elaborate reviews of the Pro One and compared to the Pro One by Behringer, but we would like to show you quickly what the features are of the Pro One and how it sounds compared to the Pro One in certain aspects. So let's start with playing a sequence and see how the oscillators sound. I'll first let the Pro One play, and then we'll switch over to the Pro One. There are elaborate reviews of the Pro One to be found, but we would like to show you quickly what the features are of the Pro One and how it sounds compared to the Pro One you see here. Let's play a sequence and listen to the Pro One and the Pro One. First we'll try the oscillators synced and separated. Let's start with a single oscillator. Now we move to the Pro One. Let's turn up the second oscillator. And we'll do the same over here. Let's switch to sync. And we'll do the same here. Let's turn up the filter a little bit so we can hear the harmonics of the oscillators. And we'll do the same here. Now we turn up some resonance. As you can hear, the volume drops a little bit when you turn on the resonance, which is completely normal. And let's do the same here. As you can hear, that's quite a difference in the filter characteristics of both the machines. Of course, this one is almost 40 years old, so it could be that just the age of the components plays a role. But if you notice the resonance, it has a lot more going on in the first levels here. Let me go back to this one. So overall this one seems a bit sharper and edgy as opposed to the Behringer. Finally, we're going to take a look at the envelopes of both the Pro One and the Behringer Pro One, because the envelopes are very special on the Pro One. They're very snappy and fast, and let me show you how that sounds first on the Behringer. Now we move over to the Pro One. And let's go back. So this is very similar. Let's put in a filter envelope. And we'll do the same here. Again, the difference in the filter is very noticeable, but the envelopes seem equally snappy, so that's really very nice that they have made that they were able to do this like this. Let's go back to the original one more time with more or less the same settings. Of course, the settings are always a little bit different on both the old and new machines. So let's see how this sounds. Very nice. Now let's take a close look at the LFO section. Both the Pro One and the Pro One original share the same modulation section here, and you can apply the LFO to various sections of the oscillators and filters. And in this small example, we will switch on the filter LFO and one of the oscillator LFOs and see how that sounds. Now switch on the filter. I'll do the same here. And finally, we'll switch on one of the oscillators. As you can hear, that the modulation is also quite different. Of course, the settings are not exactly the same, but the LFO rate seems to behave a little bit differently. Also, the amount of modulation is different, but with proper settings, I think you can get really close and get the similar modulation effects that you can get on the original. At the end of this video we're gonna take a small look at the drone mode of the Pro One, which is very nice as this creates a continuous gate, so the synthesizer keeps making a sound continuously. Let's switch it on and see what happens. At the moment you hear the noise and a little bit of oscillator A, and I will turn up oscillator A and B to let you listen to the droning sounds of the Pro One. Now let's add some modulation to the filter. As you can hear, the amplifier controls whether I can hear sound or not. Let's play a little bit with the filter to see what we get. So, what do we think of the Pro One? Well, it's a really nice clone of the original, I must say. The sound is very similar to in certain aspects. I think especially the filter and some of the snappiness of the envelopes is not exactly what the original has. But then again, you get some extra features with this Behringer one. And of course, it's brand new, it's not expensive, and it creates a very, very powerful sound that you can use for whatever you want. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. And also, if you want to see more of our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel with the button below. And we'll see you next time.